In this video, we are going to create post-like method. This one will be public function post underscore like. The post-like method is one argument. That's the post ID. Then over here to the same thing, we'll get the user ID from session. This one will be dollar user ID equal to dollar underscore session. Then this one will be user underscore ID. Then over here we'll check and see whether the user has already liked. So if this one is false, meaning that the user has not liked, then we need to insert in data into the likes table. So over here we'll check to use an if statement. So this one $this our notation, the method that was liked by. There was liked by this one argument. That's the post ID. This one be dollar post ID, which we are getting from here. So if this is false, it's equal to false, meaning that the user has not liked the post. So if the user has not liked the post, we need to insert in data into the database. So this one be dollar query is equal to dollar this our notation PDO our notation prepare. And this one be insert into post underscore likes. That's the table name. Then this one be post underscore like underscore by, then comma. Then also have post underscore ID, then comma 9. Then this one be values. This one be colon ID, then comma colon post, then comma from now. So here will be semicolon. Don't forget to close it here also. Okay, so this is what we have. Then we need to execute it. So this one with dollar query our notation execute. Then this one will be our array. So this one with colon ID, then I post ID, then comma colon post our notation dollar post ID. The ID over here is the user ID, not the post ID. So here will be user ID, and here will be the post, which is this one, the post ID. Then over here will be semicolon.